Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, we have two openings to discuss in this video, one from the Wipro and another from the Dell. So this is applicable for wide range of batches and graduates. So it is not completely technical. There is technical job opening to be discussed and also non-technical job opening to be discussed. So it's applicable for all graduates. Okay. So let's say that in detail, like whoever can apply, how can you apply everything. So before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you activate the bell icon, please enable this option all so that you get the notifications regarding all the videos that we upload, because it is very important that these kind of hiring videos, especially, you should get it at the right time. Okay. So make sure you apply it at the same. So first, let's start with the Wipro one. So here Wipro is hiring for the associate in payments and the location is in Hyderabad. So here they have clearly mentioned that they just want you to have the basic communication skills and written and verbal communication skill in English. And you should have some analytical approach and logical skills with attention to detail. You some have analytical approach and logical skills. Then your preferred knowledge or experience in internet, credit card, bank transaction monitoring, anything. Okay, so if you have experience or knowledge in the same, it's completely fine here. And working ethics and the ability to adapt with the company policy, everything is what they want you to have in this. So this is very minimal. So this is applicable for any graduates. Okay, if you're from technical background, if you're from non-technical, if you're from arts, whatever, if you have the mention in this description, okay, if you have these many skills or knowledge in these many sections that they have mentioned here, we can try apply it here. Okay, so I used to get constant comments like, can you bring the job openings for the art students, the commerce students, the civil engineering, mechanical engineering. So this is collectively for you. Any graduate criteria means all of you can apply it. Okay, so this is such a kind of opening available. So all the graduates, any graduates and the freshers are eligible, irrespective which batch they belong to or which graduation they belong to. Okay, and it in here they mean the freshers or graduates in the sense those who have completed the graduation, those who have passed out. So passed out freshers, all everyone can try apply it in here. So here, this is all about it. And to apply for that, you can click on this apply button and continue with the application process. So first thing you need to do is in here is you need to put your email ID. So I'll try with one. Okay, so after that, you need to accept the terms and conditions of the company. Yeah, so this is application form. So it's a simple form, and you might have noticed this form is completely similar to all the job openings available. So you may see some field for the experience criteria to work experience, professional experience, everything, but this is not mandatory. So since this opening is for the freshers can completely ignore this field. Okay, so this is how it works. And after that, you can submit your profile. So obviously you need to give your personal information, your graduation details, your contact details, and your resume, everything. Okay, so this is how you apply to the same. Okay. And now coming to the CTC details. So for the freshers, the typical average salary that Wipro provide is around 3.3 and all. So this is applicable in that sense as well. So it's around that you will be receiving. So if you want a job immediately, and if you're not looking into technical sector and you want to get placed in a reputed company, then this is a bright opportunity as well. So since they have mentioned for the freshers, we can try applying to this, get the experience done, and you can grow from here. Okay, so this is also a good opportunity. So next we have an opening from Dell to discuss. So here in Dell, the location is from Kanpur, India, if my pronunciation is right. And here this opening is for the software engineer. So here the brightest thing that I've noticed is it's for the freshers, and they have mentioned for all the 1 to 2 years of experience can also try it in here. That is, you can see potential fresher candidate with strong programming exposure. Okay, or someone with 1 or 2 years of experience. Okay, so any one. Okay, if you are a fresher candidate and if you are strong in programming, then you can apply it in here. Or else if you belong to 1 or 2 years of experience also, you can apply it in here. So this is how they have mentioned the desired qualification. Okay, and here you can see the essential qualification. Java, that is advanced developer with knowledge around Spring Boots, follow source code and file revision control for projects, clearly communicates project issues and status accurately logs project schedule, defect, and other data, participates in improving product quality through process and procedure improvements. Okay, so this is the essential qualities that they have mentioned it in here, and they have mentioned you will participate in the preparation, review, and evaluation of software or storage requirements and specifications, prepare return specifications for tasks of varied complexity for verbal requirements, use defined software lifecycle methodologies, review and implement test strategies for software products. Okay, so this is they have mentioned. So you will be taking care of software development lifecycle. So preparation for that, reviewing, evaluating, just storage details, everything that will be coming out across to. So Dell is a well-known company in software department, software edition. So this opportunity, which is getting core into their product and core into their sector, is always a great opportunity to go. So if you wish to get into this, anyone can try applying to this. So they have mentioned potential fresher candidate. So all the freshers can apply to it in here. So here they have mentioned application closing date is on 7th of January 2022. So still you have almost 1 month to apply for that. So if you wish to get into this opportunity, you can apply it here and you have almost 1 month of time. Meanwhile, try to learn. Okay, if you're not good at the thing essential qualifications that we have mentioned, you can try to learn that and upgrade yourself. Okay, just have a basic foundation, basic knowledge on it. This is possible within 1 month if you try it very hard. So if you want this opportunity, you can make use of it, and there is immense time that they are providing it. Okay, so after this they'll bring up selection process. So it in here, yeah, that's all it. And next, let's go for the application process. So you can click on this apply now button and continue with the application process. So first, if you're very new to this, you need to fill everything and you can submit and start. Else, if you have already a profile under Dell Careers, you can use the same profile and resubmit it in case. Or if you want to update your resume, you can update it that as well. And if not, you want to start it fresh, you can start this fresh by this. You can give all these details, upload your resume, everything. So I would highly recommend you to update your resume with the essential qualifications that they have mentioned, because that is the keywords that is getting filtered, or that is filtering your application. Okay, so that is very important. Hope you understand, hope you got the point. So, and after applying to that, please don't wait until you get a revert back from the company. You start preparing. Whether you got to participate in the selection process or not, that's secondary. Once you apply, you start to prepare for that. One way or the another way, that will be definitely beneficial. Okay, so this is about the Dell opening available. So coming to the CTC details, approximately average CTC provider is 8 lakhs per annum, 8 plus lakhs per annum actually. So this is the average CTC. So for the freshers in Dell to the core job starting would be from 6 plus LPAs, and for this particular software engineer one role, it starts from 8 plus LPAs. And they have mentioned one more criteria that it's applicable for 1 year of experience and 2 year of experience as well, 1 to 2 years of experience. So if according to the experience criteria too, it can vary. Okay, and if you're a fresher, this is the average salary package estimated, so you will get something around that. Okay, so that's it. Obviously it's a high paying job only for the freshers when you compare to almost all of them. It's not very meager amount as well. So this is it. This is about the opportunities that we have. I think everything is pretty much clear. So Dell is about the core technical job, computer science related, technical kind of technology related job. And from the Wipro, it's a non-technical job, like any graduates, anyone who wish to get into non-technical or this payment kind of things, handling all these accounts detailed kind of things, can get into this. Okay, so it in here also they haven't mentioned about any of the batch criteria. It is only for this, only for that. So the recent freshers, the recent graduate, recent passed out students can try applying to it. Okay, so this is for you. So I think everything is pretty much clear. If you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.